Marami na tayong pinag-usapan tungkol sa employee motivation. Pero there's one practice that we have at ExecuServe that I highly recommend kung ikaw yung klase ng may-ari ng kumpanya na hindi madamot, no? Na ang sukatan ng iyong success ay hindi yung kung magkano yung iyong net profit, but how much you're able to share with your staff, with your people, that you are aiming for mutual growth. Yumayaman ka, yumayaman din yung mga tao mo. Kung malaki kita mo, malaki rin ang kita ng mga tao mo. Sa ExecuServe, we practice variable compensation. So people have basic pay. The basic pay are okay. They're not, outstanding. But if you work in ExecuServe and you work hard and you're creative and you're resourceful and you're able to contribute to organizational revenue, you're going to take home a handsome amount. At may ilang kami mga empleyado rito na can actually double their pay, with their commissions and incentives. And even our non-sales people get a portion, of the contributions in sales. Kasi tumutulong sila, di ba, na mangyari yung service delivery. So people get incentives, also training allowance and project allowance if you contributed in the delivery of service to clients, no? So anong effect nun sa amin? I have never seen people as motivated as my team members are in pursuing targets. No, every week nagkatanungan, nahit na ba natin yung target? Ano pang hinihintay nating mga leads na pwede nating i-convert? Ano bang tulong ang kailangan para ma-deliver ng tama yan? Para maging masaya yung customer so that we can get more business from the customers. Our training coordinators are on the lookout for additional client needs so that they can turn those over to sales so that sales can close those deals. No? Kasi we're excited, no? To hit targets. Every one of us, lalo na yung tao ko kasi may term silang tinatawag, ano yun, paldogs ang tawag nila kapag ka naglabasan na yung mga incentives and commission because they get to earn a lot from those. We adjust people's salary during performance appraisal, but that is not what excites us. What excites us are the variable compensation that people get. Ngayon, kung if this is something that you are interested to have in your company, abangan mo yung part 2 nito dahil ikukwento ko kung paano ito gawin.